Hello everyone. Let's start a video. Essay on nature. Nature is an important and integral part of mankind. It is one of the greatest blessings for human life. However, nowadays humans fail to recognize it as one. Nature has been an inspiration for numerous poets, writers, artists, and more of yesteryear. This is a remarkable creation inspired them to write poems and stories in the glory of it. They truly valued nature, which reflects in their work even today. Essentially, nature is everything we are surrounded by, like the water we drink, the air we breathe, the sun we soak in, the birds we hear chirping, the moon we gaze at, and more. Above all, it is the rich and vibrant and consists of both living and non-living things. Therefore, people of the modern age should also learn something from people of yesteryear and start valuing nature before it gets too late. Significance of nature. Nature has been in existence long before humans, and ever since it has taken care of mankind and nourished it forever. In other words, it offers us a protective layer which guards us against all kinds of damages and harms. Survival of mankind without nature is impossible, and humans need to understand that. If nature has the ability to protect us, it is also powerful enough to destroy the entire mankind. Every form of nature, for instance, the plants, animals, rivers, mountains, moons, and more holds equal significance for us. Absence of one element is enough to cause a catastrophe in functioning of human life. We fulfill a healthy lifestyle by eating and drinking healthy, which nature gives us. Similarly, it provides us with water and food that enable us to do so. Rainfall and sunshine, the two most important elements to survive, are derived from its nature itself. Further, the air we breathe and the wood we use for various purposes are a gift of nature only, but with technological advancement, people are not paying attention to nature. The need to conserve and balance the natural assets is rising day by day, which requires immediate attention. Thank you. You have a look on my essay. First paragraph, second, and the third, and the fourth. Hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye bye.